Acute is smaller than 90 degrees, right is just 90 degrees. Obtuse is bigger than 90 degrees. What is a protractor? Protractor is a measurement that we can measure angles and lines. We can use protractor like this. So you put last part up here, the middle of the circle, and then put like same as 180 degrees, and that is 90 degrees. And if you want to see what is the measurement of angle, you just see up. That line is just pointing. You can draw an angle like this. So you draw 180-degree line, and then pretend it's on the paper. You draw point 1 and then in the middle, and then you can draw a line like this, like a ruler. We can measure this angle by like this. Put the circle in last part and then make it just straight line up here, 180 degrees. And when we measure it, it is 60 degrees, and it's acute.